I think our farmers are among the most innovative group in our economy, pretty much second to none on a global scale.
For our primary producers, one of the key challenges that they face is that harvest is a relatively short window. A farmer is able to pull off their crops, they're able to put that into a facility on their property where they also can maintain control.
So Kotzur are a family business. We're second and third generation. So we see ourselves as somewhat unique in that we do offer end-to-end solutions. So we do everything from the design, engineering, the manufacture, the site installation, commissioning, and we also offer post-commissioning service. We're passionate about manufacturing here in Australia when these aspects of our silo design, which we think are uniquely appropriate for the Australian market. So they've been designed from point of conception to meet all relevant Australian standards.
Australian conditions differ significantly from other grain growing areas in the world, and so we design our silos specific to those conditions. Additionally, having our points of manufacture close to our markets mean we're able to respond not only with an offering for a new project, but also in terms of spare parts, maintenance and repairs.
So my father started manufacturing on the family farm post-World War II, and in 1953 he moved to the town of Walla Walla. We certainly like to think we have that family and small business, small town focus. We live and work in the country, we live and work in grain producing areas, and our family are still farmers today, so we certainly have a hands-on approach and understand the needs and understand the challenges that our clients are facing.
We're blessed to have some of the most forward-thinking farmers in the world in Australia, and many Australian industries are similar. So at Kotzur, it's imperative for us to innovate in order to keep up with our clients' requirements. Operating and being present in the regional communities in Australia, it's important for us to be close to our clients, to understand our clients' challenges, and being part of those local communities is important to who Kotzur are and what Kotzur do.
Farming is a significant proportion of our GDP. It's also a significant export earner, so being very efficient means that the money and profitability flows back through our supply chain and to our growers, and it is a competitive global market.
When they see the Australian-made logo there, they know they're supporting local jobs. They know that there's a door to knock on if they want to talk or if they need advice. We know we can rely on the level of quality that we can get from products that are made and manufactured in Australia. The Australian-made logo is critical because it's part of who we are and it's core to what we do.
The Australian-made campaign resonates with us because that's our values. Our value is supporting the local economy, supporting our local clients. You're part of something that's bigger.